We've got futures pointing to another lower open on Wall Street. The Dow already dropping nearly 900 points this week already. And it's going to go lower this morning. Dow down about 430 points right about now. Joining us right now to talk about it is Megan Horneman, Director of Portfolio Strategy at Verdence Capital Advisors. Is this the volatility we were all expecting? Is this what was just supposed to happen? We've been talking about an election moment. I don't know if you think it's that or you think it's COVID.
So I think when we started this week and even last week, it was whether it was the election jitters or the fact that we weren't going to get the fiscal stimulus as soon as we thought we were. And now it's being replaced with the rise in coronaviruses. So regardless, I don't want to downplay any one of these factors. But at the end of the day, this volatility, this market's really been looking for a reason to pull back. And I think that we're getting that this week.
So the question, of course, is, if everyone's expecting a pullback, how far is the pullback? And are you buying on this as a pullback? Or, I mean, is this just a blip, or do you think there's more to go?
We actually started raising cash in our portfolios back in August with the anticipation that the fourth quarter would be a bit choppier. The easy work was done with the economic recovery. We got that V-shaped recovery. Now the choppiness of the economic recovery we think will go on through the fourth quarter and the beginning of next year. So we were raising cash with the anticipation to have better opportunities to enter the market. Right now, we're watching the market. We're only down about 4 or 5% on the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 still remains pretty concentrated in a select number of names. So we're looking at the market. We still think that there is some additional downside. We don't feel comfortable really deploying that cash ahead of next Tuesday's election. We'd like to get a little bit more clarity around what's going on with the coronaviruses. And then second of all, lastly, we'd also like to get a little bit more clarity on the two sides of the economy that we're a little bit more concerned about, and that is the labor market. Even though we've gotten a big improvement there, it's just not enough. Without another fiscal stimulus package, we will see elevated unemployment. We'll see elevated jobless claims. So this is something that we need to see get a little bit more consistently better. And then this week, you'll also get personal income and spending. And personal income's been very weak over the past couple months. That's another thing that we just want to see get a little bit better. We think that the fiscal stimulus could help that. It's just the timing of when we're going to get that is unknown.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.